Hello everyone, I am going to show you how a typical dish of Spain is made, such as migas. With, we have to chop the bread. As you can see, the knife doesn't cut very well. I take the opportunity to say that we must have careful with knife. After chopping the bread, you should throw it in the bowl. Then add a good handful of salt in a bowl of hot water and pour the water into the bread. While we pour, we are going to remove the bread. Then we prepare the garlic to throw them in the pan. Now we will pour the oil in the pan until it covers all its surface and we add the garlic in it. We must wait until they are golden brown and add the bread here. Be careful with hot oil. We must remove the migas and once they are made on one side, we turn them very carefully. I leave that work to my grandfather because it is difficult. To finish, we wait for them to be done on the other side. We carry the migas to the table and they are ready to eat them. The migas are eaten with orange. I hope you liked the recipe. Enjoy it!